Hey folks, in this video I am going to tell you about various different ways through which you can get any of the Udemy courses free of cost along with the certificates. Some of you folks texted me asking for this, so I have formed a list of some websites which I am going to share today, through which you can get almost any of the course for free with a certificate. The sites mentioned here are ones which I recommend to people when they ask for me for the same. The first one on the list is Disc Udemy. It is a free coupon provider for Udemy which provides you with a list of courses that are free to enroll. There are a ton of courses which you can enroll in from this. The coupons which are provided through this site are updated frequently and expired coupons are removed. Let's have a look at an example. Here you can see that this is a free course related to Python and I want to enroll for the same. So I will click on it and it will take me to a new web page having a link with the coupon applied to it. As soon as I will click on this link, it will open the course in Udemy with the free coupon applied and I can enroll for this. The next one which we have on the list is Real.discount. It is also one of the top sources which people use for getting any Udemy course for free. This site has different features like categories, editor's choice and expiring soon and so on. And you will be getting the latest free coupons for the paid courses from here. Let's look at an example. So if I want a course related to Flutter, I will go in the search tab and type Flutter. It will be providing me with all the courses related to Flutter which are currently available free of cost and I can enroll for same. Now when I click on any one of them, it provides me with the details to that course and the link from where I can get it for free. When I click on the get coupon button, it will open the Udemy page for the course with coupons applied and you can enroll for the course for free. The third one on the list is Couponscorpion. It is not that efficient as compared to the first two, but it does offer coupons for some courses which can't be found in the first two sites. You can also try looking for the courses on this site if you are unable to find it through the first two. The next one which we have is the bestcouponhunter.com, which provides you with 100% free coupons for the Udemy courses. It is more or less similar to Couponscorpion and you can get a large number of coupons for your desired courses all for free from this website. The next one which we have is udemycoupons.me, which is another amazing site for getting Udemy free coupons. This site sometimes provides you with discount coupon as well, so if you are looking for a 90% off coupon or a free course coupon, then you can check this site as well. Let me show you an example of this. So here is a course which I want to enroll in. When I'll be clicking on this, it will be taking me to a new page that will have a enroll now button, and when I'll be clicking on this, it will be opening the course on Udemy with a free coupon applied to it. There are two more websites with the name of Udemy Coupon Code and dailycoursereviews.com, but the coupons which are provided on them are not working most of the time, so you can keep them at the bottom of your list while you are looking for free coupons. Now what if you have tried looking for a coupon for a course from your favorite instructor and you failed to find one? In that case, you can still find the course but you won't be getting any certificate with the same. I won't suggest you doing this, but if you have no other options left, then you can try this. So first thing you need to do is you need to open Udemy and try searching for a course on Udemy. Select the one which you want for free. In my case, I am selecting this one. Copy the full name of the course and open a new tab. Paste what you have just copied and add drive.google.com after it. You can see here that the link which I got is for the same course. And when I click on this link, it takes me to the Google Drive where the course is stored and I can directly enroll for this course and start developing things with it. In most of the cases, this trick works, but many a times this won't be working if the course you are trying to search for is not a popular one, so be sure of that. The last thing which you can do to get a free coupon for your course is getting in touch with the instructor for the course and tell them about your situation and let them know that you want to learn a new thing or get started with the new technology and how their course will be helping you for the same. In 99% of the cases, the instructor will be providing you with a free coupon for the course. In some cases, they do provide you with 90% off or 95% off coupons as well. At least I have provided free coupons or free courses to everyone who has reached out to me asking for a free course, and you can try it too. So these were some of my top picks which I mostly recommend to people who ask me for a free course, and you can try these as well for getting your free course.